Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on the happenings of the stock market. Today, we are diving into the world of drones and exploring the upcoming IPO of IdeaForge Technology Ltd, a pioneer player in the UAV unarmed vehicle industry. We will explain you how you can analyze the IPO from an educational perspective. Let's get started. Founded in 2007, IdeaForge has become a prominent name in the Indian market for unarmed aerial vehicles for drones. They are now preparing for their initial public offering, consisting of an offer for sale and a fresh issue with a total issue size of Rs 551 to 567 crores. The price band for this IPO is set at Rs 638 to Rs 672 per share, making it an exciting opportunity for investors. But what sets IdeaForge apart from its competitors? Well, they hold a dominant position in the Indian market, boasting over 50% market share in FY22. They offer a diverse range of UAVs for various applications in both the civil and defense sectors. With a strong focus on innovation and customer support, IdeaForge has become a go-to provider in the industry. One of the remarkable achievements of IdeaForge was becoming the first Indian company to develop and manufacture vertical takeoff and landing UAVs back in 2009. Their drones have been utilized for critical operations such as site monitoring and search and rescue efforts during 2015 earthquake in Nepal. It's a testament to their reliability and effectiveness. Let's take a closer look at IdeaForge's product lineup. They offer a wide range of drones designed for activities like homeland security, agriculture, construction, real estate, mining, and more. Their drones come equipped with advanced technical capabilities such as a range of up to 15 kilometers, 120 minutes of flying time, and an operating altitude of 1000 meters. These features make IdeaForge's drone versatile and highly capable for various applications. What sets IdeaForge apart is their robust technology stack. They provide a complete UAV solution, including ground control software, firmware, and after-sales support. They even have proprietary solutions like encrypted live streaming and remote payload control. Their commitment to technological excellence and comprehensive support ensures that customers receive the best experience. With a strong focus on customer relationships, IdeaForge has developed long-standing partnerships with a diverse customer base. They serve both domestic and international clients across defense and civil sectors. Their dedication to quality and reliability has earned them customer loyalty and repeat business. Now let's talk about IdeaForge's in-house capabilities. They have their own product development center and advanced manufacturing facility which enables them to design, develop, and engineer UAVs according to customer needs. This level of control ensures flexibility and high-quality production. While IdeaForge has many strengths, it's important to address some key concerns. The drone industry is highly regulated, and any failure to comply with regulations can result in penalties or operational disruptions. Additionally, IdeaForge's reliance on sales to government agencies and global vendors for components can pose challenges. They also operate with a single manufacturing facility, which carries the risk of slowdowns or shutdowns affecting their business. Let's take a quick look at IdeaForge's financial highlights. While their revenues have been growing, gross margins and operating profit margins have seen a decline in FY23. However, IdeaForge maintains a comfortable debt to equity ratio, indicating a strong financial position. With decent return ratios and a favorable market, their IPO is priced at premium, reflecting the immense potential of the drone technology sector. The Indian drone industry is experiencing significant growth, with sectors like defense, agriculture, media and entertainment, energy and utilities, disaster management are more actively embracing drone technology now. To foster this growth, the Indian government has introduced favorable policies, simplified procedures, and increased the number of drone-friendly zones. But it's not just India. The global drone industry is also evolving rapidly. Relaxation in regulations, the rise in enterprise usage, drone as a service models, positive attitude towards beyond visual line of sight operations, and a shift away from Chinese drones are key trends shaping industry's future. In conclusion, IdeaForge Technology Ltd is positioned for success in the booming drone industry with the market leadership, diverse product portfolio, technical expertise, and focus on innovation. We are well prepared to capitalize on the opportunities that lie ahead. As we witness the growth of drones in various sectors and evolving regulatory landscape, IdeaForge is primed to make a significant impact. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon to stay updated on the latest happenings in the stock market. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. This is Viral Shah signing off. Happy investing. This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing. Thank you.